You searched how to buy shares of Precision Drilling Corp, a company that provides drilling rigs and oilfield services. Precision Drilling trades on NASDAQ under the ticker PDS. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker PDS to find Precision Drilling Corp. Confirm the result shows the company name and the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to view basic company information and the price chart. Check the company description and the NASDAQ/PDS label to confirm this is the correct listing. Tap Trade or Buy, enter the amount or number of shares you want, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit instruction, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the example eToro link in the description to follow the same steps.